In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to castle on Lichess. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you in your PC, or whatever you're working with. Could be Google Chrome, could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. Once you open your browser, simply go to this URL section and type lichess.org and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page, which is going to be the home screen or the main screen of lichess.org. Of course, here, the first thing that you would like to do is just go to the top right corner option sign in and click on it so you can actually sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on register so you can actually create an account in here. So for me, let me do that and I'm coming back. So once you're logged in or sign in or even create an account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or this main screen on the list on the lichess.org website. And of course, you'll find your username here at the top right corner. That means you're signed in. And from here, you can do a lot of other stuff. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to show you how to castle on Lichess. And of course, if you want to do that, let's just go and start the game as an example. And of course, if you want to castle, there's two ways to castle. There is the way to castle the king side and the queen side. So of course, if you want to castle, you would like to have all the squares between your king and your castle, no squares at all. So we'll have to free those squares. As you can see now, I have no squares, so I can actually castle by clicking on my king, then clicking on this square. As you can see, this should not be a square that the king can move to, but you can because you did not make any move with your king or with your rook, and the squares between your king and rook are empty, so you can actually castle the king side. Now, let me show you actually how to castle the queen side. Of course, we'll have to empty the queen side as well. So let's just do that. Just do this, this, this. Oh, okay, I cannot castle here because he actually... Oh, I would like to castle the queen side here, so let's just free the queen side again. Let's just do this, this. And now, as you can see, the squares between my rook and king are empty. And of course, I did not move my king or my rook. So if I click at this move, even if it's illegal for the king, but since I did not move any of those, I can actually castle and it can be once per game. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.